Have you ever experienced the error message starting with excessive displacement were calculated in this model without expecting large displacement in your model? The reason could be that the model is underconstrained. In this video, I will show you how you can troubleshoot such an error message. To show this, I will run the simulation of this container. It has been set up with a global bonded connection, a restraint at the bottom, and an internal pressure. When I run the simulation and the message pops up, I have two options. I could click yes to turn on the large displacement formulation, which will apply the load in steps so that the stiffness matrix has time to update in between. This will increase the solver time. If I click no, it will be run as normal, giving me incorrect results but quicker. Since I don't expect any large displacement and just want to see what is wrong, I will select no. It is already quite clear that the lid is missing, but to verify what is happening, I will look at my displacement plot and animate it. This makes it even clearer that it is the lid that is under constraint. Now that we have determined which part that is not restricted, we need to create a local interaction for it. If I zoom in, we can also see the reason. There is a gap here due to a gasket that is not included in the simulation. I'll select the face of the lid as set 1 and the face of the box for set 2. And I'll change the type to bonded. Now I can rerun the simulation. This time there is no message indicating that all components are restrained as they should. Looking at my results, the values also makes much more sense, and so does the animated displacement plot. There are also some other tools that can be used to troubleshoot this type of behavior even before running the simulation, such as Interaction Viewer and Find Underconstrained Bodies. Both of these can be found by right-clicking Connections. And if you want me to make a video where I use these, let me know in the comments.